Hey everybody, it's Wednesday, September 19th, a couple days after Hurricane Florence. Just want to give y'all a quick update. Everything is doing great here, everything's fine. A little bit of the aftermath was a lot of down trees. We actually just got power here a few hours ago, and before that though, we started cooking some food on the grill, as you can see there. So got that going, just trying to make the best of everything that's going on right now. Had a lot of stuff that really didn't make it, things that were pretty much drowned out. Some of the seedlings that I had got drowned out. Broccoli's completely gone. The cucumbers were in the patio area. The wind just completely destroyed some of that stuff. So just wanted to keep you guys updated on what's going on. Everything's doing great. We're just gonna get back on our feet and looking at it in the positive light. We'll just start gardening, doing some new stuff, buying some new stuff, and getting some new stuff in the ground. So that'll be good for the future, and some other videos as well to put out there. All right, so one of the things I want to talk about was, the reason why we didn't leave. As part of my job, we had a shelter to stand up and provide some of that stuff for some people. But just a little bit of background on that. We had families come in. You have a lot of spouses that have their sponsors that are deployed, and could not leave the area, and we have a lot of younger military personnel that just don't have the money to do that, on the drop of a dime, or prepare for something like that. So we provide a lot of that stuff for them. We had some women and children show up to the shelter. We provided food for them, provided them with a place to stay, some power and stuff like that throughout the whole ordeal. We had a couple of sweet ladies. One of them had dementia, but it was just one of those safe havens you could provide for people, and things you can do that make you feel a little bit better about yourself, and knowing that there are those people that cannot leave, and just can't pick up and go when something like this happens. We had one family that came in with literally a 6-day-old baby that you can't travel with something like that. So it's just, we provided a safe haven for them, and thankfully, they were able to get out of the storm and be able to get in there, and we were able to provide that safe place for them. But a lot of things have happened. We had some cafeteria ladies there at the school who did completely awesome. Miss Patricia and Teresa, who were there. Miss Patricia one night was going to leave, and halfway through leaving decided she was going to turn around because she felt bad. That she may not be able to make it the next morning, and she wanted the kids to have some breakfast and lunch the next day. So she turned around, and we pulled out a cot for her and provided her a place to stay there. And it's just people like that that make a difference. People like that care about what's going on, and care about the people that cannot leave and cannot do stuff like that. But overall, the storm luckily didn't hit as bad as we thought it would. I mean, the winds were still pretty bad. A lot of down trees. Like I said, we just got our power. It's been 6 days now since we've had power. At the shelter, luckily we did have power. My family was there as well. We were able to enjoy some of the festivities, as far as the electricity that we had there to watch the laptop, and they can play on their iPad or whatever the case was. But after we got home, just no power, and you learn to appreciate a lot of the stuff that you have in life. And I think that's one of the biggest things one of the biggest lessons learned is, appreciate everything you have. We definitely got lucky, not so much some of the other surrounding places. Our city was literally an island. No one could get in or out. Some of the other places completely flooded, and unfortunately for them, some of them won't have power for a while. But our best wishes to those people that are dealing with that stuff and won't have power. And even food around here is pretty scarce. They're not able to get any trucks in and stuff like that. So like I said, it's just buying whatever we can at the moment, and trying to survive with whatever we can, as far as what we can go out there and buy and stuff like that. But I do appreciate all the prayers. If you were keeping up with us on Instagram, we try to let out some information as little as we could. Signal is still not great here. This video probably won't go out for a couple days, but I just want to let everybody know our appreciation for their prayers and their best wishes, and keeping up to date on us and what was going on. But again, I'll pop up some pictures, let you know what was going on and what it looked like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's about to reach the bridge. Can I get oh man. Those are high tides. All I can see on this.
Alright, so just going to show you a little bit about what's going on here, what happened. So this is our backyard area. You can see that's our yard there. This is the area. We had this massive tree come down. There's a neighbor's fence that came down there. But just showing y'all this huge tree that just came down. You know, a lot of people back here really got lucky. This massive tree just, you know, uprooted. And this is not the only massive tree. There's plenty of massive trees that came up. You know, we had a number of houses. So far, the count is there's about 60 to 70 homes that are completely uninhabitable. You know, rain just collapsed these ceilings and trees came through the ceilings. So we're expecting those people when they get back to the area to not have a place to stay, and they may be able to go to the shelter and stuff like that. So we may stand that back up. But yeah, this is what we got going on. Luckily, not a lot of trees went down in this area, but some of the other areas, definitely plenty of stuff happened. Plenty of stuff came down. But yeah, that's definitely what we got going on.